changing color of the paper? Isn't it seems like a magic? Welcome to the series of Crazy Chemistry. In this video, we will see why this paper is changing color in different solution. Let's dive in. For this purpose, you need beakers, baking soda, citric acid, soap, water, lemon, pH paper and mixing stick. First, let's see what is a pH. pH stands for potential of hydrogen. This paper comes in a yellow color and साथ में आपको different colors के साथ scale show किया जाता है. The pH scale measures how acidic or basic a substance is from 0 to 14. Below 7 the substances are acidic while above 7 the substances are basic in nature. Now let's find out the pH of different solution with the help of pH paper that we commonly use at our home. So here I have 5 solutions and 5 pH papers. One by one I'll check the pH and note down on my booklet. So first, dip करने के बाद pH पेपर को अपने pH स्केल के साथ मैच करेंगे. वो जिस कलर के साथ मैच करेगा हमारी pH वही होगी. यहाँ पर हमारा कलर 7 के साथ मैच कर रहा था and pH 7 पे सब्सटेंस न्यूट्रल होता है. Second test is with the citric acid. Here you can see a huge difference of the pH paper. It turns out just red. So let's find out the pH through our pH scale and it is between 4 to 3. So we will write down the color changes into red and pH is 4. So it is acidic in nature. Our third test is with baking soda. It is totally opposite to the citric acid and it turns out green in color. So let's check out with our pH scale and pH found is nearly 9 to 10 and pH paper color turns into green and pH is 9 and basic in nature. Our fourth test is with dish soap. So here you can see a slightly change from yellow to light green. So you can say the pH is nearly 8. pH paper color turns into light green and the pH is 8 and is basic in nature. So our fifth and the last test is with the lemon. Woohoo! It is also turning into a deep red shade. So let's check out the pH with the pH scale. So it is between the 3 to 4. So it is, we can say that 4 and of course it is acidic in nature. Now it's your turn to find out the pH of the different things that we use in our home. Best of luck!